Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to put together the embellishment bowl, which is a free SVG from Simply Crafty SVGs. And this is just like a little bowl that you're going to make, a paper bowl that can hold your little die cuts. I used to use a little clear bowl like that, but I wanted things that I could stack easily and they'd be noticeable around. So I wanted to create my own, and then I would share it with you. So this is pretty quick and simple thing to put together. I'm just folding the panels, and the panels have a little score line in them. And that's just to give it a little bit more structure when you put it on the body of the bowl. So after I get those all folded, I'm just going to fold along the scores on the bowl portion, both on the sides and the tabs. And then we'll go ahead and add those panels. The only panel we won't add is the very end one without the tab. We'll put that on after we glue the tab onto the inside, but right now it's just easier to put it on before we put it together. But it's up to you. You can put it on after. So I'm just centering that. So I'm just sliding it over that edge and centering each panel. And if you do like this project or any of my other ones, I would appreciate a thumbs up below and or subscribe if you haven't already done so. I would truly appreciate that. Thank you. So let's go ahead and add the remaining panels other than the one on the end. I'll just speed it up a little bit. And then again, that's just to add a little bit of strength to it, because these are actually bowls that I intended to be used for to work in the scrapbook room, right? Or scrapbooking or paper crafts. Because I have a lot of little things. Sometimes I'll have brads or something to that effect where I want to add to one of my projects, and I just add it in a little bowl so I don't lose it. So after I cut it or select it, I know it's all together. You could use these as treat cups too. For any occasion, just add a themed panel. So once we get that last panel on, we're just going to glue that tab to the inside. We're going to match up the other edge to the tab fold and glue it to the inside. Suppose you could do it on the outside. If it's your own room, you could glue it on the front or back. It really doesn't matter. Just aesthetics. Then we'll add that last panel. So that'll hide the tab on the inside. That's why we did that last. And get it right on. I had to just adjust it a little bit. And then we have those tabs flipped in on the bottom there. So we're just going to take our little fine tip applicator. I'm using art glitter glue on mine. We're going to add glue to the inside of all those tabs. I like this way because it makes it really quick. We're just going to slide that panel in and make sure that the edges match up to the inside of the tab folds there. And I'm pushing to the sides. If they're not really like adjusted, they should just automatically, that panel should fall into the middle. But you just kind of want to go around with your finger and make sure you apply some pressure. And then an extra addition to it is adding that last bottom panel to finish it all up. And you can make a bunch of these in different colors and stack them up when you need them. A lot of time I'm doing extra more than one project. And you can just color coordinate them. Or use them for whatever you'd like. I just hope you get some use out of them. Well, I hope you get some use out of these, and I thank you so much for watching.